Hotel Real Intercontinental Tegucigalpa. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Hotel Real Intercontinental Tegucigalpa. Real Intercontinental Tegucigalpa is located in the upcoming financial and entertainment district, with one of Honduras' shopping centers offering 150 stores right across the lobby. You can experience a wonderful ambience at NAU Sushi Lounge, enjoy an exquisite steak at Factory Steak and Lobster, or build your own dishes at the Market Restaurant. They received me with a sweet treat and upgraded my room. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Everything. The staff, the room, the service, the restaurants, everything was fantastic. The steakhouse, one of the 3 restaurants, is awesome. The atmosphere is really good. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.